Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of WebTech Tutorial. Today, we'll be guiding you through how you can download Coinbase application on your PC. In order to download Coinbase application on your PC, you'll first need an Android emulator since it's an Android application and the web version is not available yet. Now, in order to do so, keep watching the video till the end without skipping and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's begin. Click open the web browser first and download BlueStacks or any other emulators that you want. Once you have the Android emulator downloaded on your desktop, click it open, and as soon as you do that, you might need to sign in with your Google account. Sign into your Google account if prompted, and once you do that, go to the search box at the upper right corner and search for Coinbase. From the search results, you'll be able to see the application displayed. Click it on and simply install the application on your PC by clicking on the install button. Wait until the download is completed, and after it installs, you'll be able to open the application. That is how you can easily download Coinbase application on your PC with the help of an Android emulator. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.